Good morning, children. So today we will be moving to the next part of money and credit, that is loan activities of bank. Now we all know that whatever we earn, like we teachers are earning salary, your fathers are earning salary, okay, or those whose fathers are businessmen, they are earning profit. Each of us, we save a part of our money with the banks. We save a part of our money with the banks. Now, what does the bank do with this money? The bank saves a part of this money, keeps a part of this money as cash reserves. Okay, like it is said, banks keep only a small proportion of their deposit as cash reserves with themselves. With the percentage of that is 15%. Like suppose the bank has got a deposit of 10,000 today, means many people has gone to the banks and have saved their money in their accounts. So the total deposit that the bank has earned, it is 10,000 for today. Now what will the bank do? The bank will keep 15% of this 10,000 amount. The bank will keep 15% of this 10,000 amount as cash reserves with themselves. Okay. Now why is this 15% kept with them? Because if someone, only that depositing is happening in the bank, not that. Many people go to withdraw money also. So if some people goes to withdraw money from the bank so that they can be given money, that is why the bank keeps a part of it as cash reserves. Okay, so that people can withdraw in the time of need. Now, then what happens to the rest of the money? 15% is kept as cash reserves. Then what is happening to the rest of the money which is left? Now this rest of the money, bank gives loans to the public, those who demand for loans. Like we go for house loan, we go for car loan, we go for two-wheeler loans, we go for educational loan, we go for personal loans. Moreover, many people go for business loans. So the bank, the excess money that is left with it, it extends loans to the public from that money. Okay, now in this way the bank is mediating between those who have between the depositors and the borrowers. Okay, now whenever we save in the bank, we earn interest, and those who take loans, bank charges interest on them. So bank charges a higher interest on the loans that they offer, and it charges a lower interest on the saving deposits which we save. Now the difference between this, what is charged and what is paid, charging they are doing on the loans, those who are taking, and interest they are giving on the savings deposits which we are saving. So the difference between them gives us the income of the bank. The difference between what are they charging and what are they paying gives the income of the bank. Okay. Now, what is the credit situation? Okay, there are two different types of credit situation. Now, what is credit? That we will be moving into the next video.